Hi there, I'm back again with a much shorter video this time. If you want the details on all of the steps associated with image trace, go back to the first video, which is the Parquetry based video. This video is Parquetry based. What I've done is I've gone on Google. I've found a Parquetry design that I quite like, and because Parquetry is a geometric shape, it doesn't actually make sense to create it in Adobe Illustrator. It's probably something that's a little bit easier for you to create in Google SketchUp by just drawing the shapes themselves and arrange them. However, sometimes it might be a bit tricky to think about what those shapes actually are that produce the Parquetry pattern you're looking at. And image trace can help you really easily see that. So once again, I've just got that image sitting there on my page. I go to my image trace window. From the image trace, I then click on the trace button. Now, when I flick that over to outlines, I've gone to color. I've changed it down to I only want 3 colors, make it as simple as possible. And what I can actually see when I do that, okay, is I can see that very easily this has got a simple diamond shape, okay, or a rhombus shape, depending on how mathematical we need to be here. And then sitting up on the top, we've got kind of a parallelogram shape sitting up there. Again, a little bit rhomboidy in shape. And so what I could actually do now that I've seen this is in SketchUp, I could create one single of these diamond patterns. I could create a corresponding rhomboid or parallelogram shape. And then I could just replicate that over and over. So the image trace is a really easy way to see exactly what those shapes actually look like at a basic geometric level, and then go and recreate in SketchUp. As I suggested, I certainly wouldn't be using the image trace tool for a basic Parquetry pattern. If I was looking at something more complex, I'd again potentially use the trace just to look at it. But since Parquetry is geometry based, more easily able to be replicated in Google SketchUp. Thanks very much. Hope that one's been helpful.